can find several programs for researchers on R Upskill, and you can get full access to these, as well as 90 plus other courses curated just for you with an R Upskill membership. R Upskill is the largest collection of learning programs for researchers, and researchers the world over are fast-tracking their career with the R Upskill membership that gives them unlimited access to webinars, workshops, and online courses. Become an R Upskill member today. I'll see you there.
Welcome to this course, Use of Punctuation. Correct use of punctuation ensures that intended meaning is conveyed without ambiguity. In scientific communication, correct punctuation facilitates clarity, simplicity, precision, and readability. The declarative nature of scientific writing leans towards sentences that are short, direct, and simply constructed. This course will help you use punctuation cautiously and sparingly.